Sit-ups versus crunches. Which can you do anywhere? Hey fitness enthusiasts, your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. When it comes to workouts that you can do anywhere, sit-ups and crunches are two popular choices. But which exercise is more convenient for a workout on the go? Sit-ups are a versatile exercise that can be performed virtually anywhere you have a flat surface. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even in a hotel room, sit-ups require minimal space and equipment. They target multiple muscle groups, including the abdominals, hip flexors, and lower back, making them a great option for a quick core workout on the fly. Looking to take your home workouts to the next level? I've got you covered with some amazing gear. Check the description below for links to my top recommendations, including the best HIIT workout mat, a comprehensive home workout guide, essential home gym workout equipment, effective push-up equipment, and the reliable body fat measurement device. These products have made a huge difference in my fitness journey, and I'm sure they'll help you too. Click the links in the description and start transforming your workouts today. Let's continue to main topic. Crunches, while also portable, may require a bit more consideration for comfort and support. You can perform crunches on a yoga mat or any flat surface, making them suitable for various environments. Crunches focus primarily on isolating the abdominal muscles, helping to strengthen and define your core with fewer movements than sit-ups. Both exercises offer flexibility and accessibility, making them ideal for incorporating into a travel or at-home workout routine. Whether you prefer the comprehensive engagement of sit-ups or the targeted focus of crunches, incorporating these exercises into your fitness regimen can help maintain core strength and support your overall fitness goals.